Vita Shanae here at Dr. Bolton's office, and I have Greg joining us today, one of Dr. Bolton's patients. Hi, Greg.
Hello, how are you?
Thanks for sitting and hanging with us.
My pleasure.
Greg,
my pleasure.
I just want to say I looked at your before picture, and I want to say that I didn't know that you had 3 procedures done. Were they 3 different doctors?
Actually, 2 different doctors.
2 different doctors,
yeah.
3 procedures before you came into Dr. Bolton's office. And you have triple the amount of hair in 1 procedure from Dr. Bolton.
At least.
So you had this new procedure done at the time.
At the time, and they looked good for a while, and then I decided to have another one by a different doctor probably a couple years later. And after, fast forwarding another 5, 7, 8 years after that, starting to lose almost everything that I had originally had.
So
right?
all that headway that you made was now
lost in my mind, right?
Yes.
So I said I need 3 references, and I wanted to pick the references from the list.
Fabulous. You're a tough cookie, and I like that.
Well, so he gave me the list. I picked 3. I called 2.
Okay.
These guys were so ecstatic with Dr. Bolton that I didn't even need to call the
Just
third.
like how you are right now.
Exactly. Yeah, I know. I loved him.
Yeah.
So I called him up, made the appointment, came in, and he did the front, right? And
was that painful for you?
there was a little bit of swelling. I mean, any surgery is going to be painful.
But you were telling me that you had swelling in the first, when you would...
Swelling in the first one.
Yes.
And in the second one that I had,
you told Dr. Bolton.
And there was no swelling in the second one.
Right.
And I was so satisfied. What happened was, I waited about, I don't know, he could tell you, 2 or 3 years before I came back, because he didn't touch this that much in the back.
Right.
And so
you guys were tackling the front first.
He does such a good job. He actually does too good of a job. So I said, you do such a good job, there's no reason to come back, right? For stuff that he's already done.
Right.
So we came back and we did the second procedure.
Okay.
And so after 2 procedures, this is what I look like compared to if they show a before picture of the 3 procedures I had.
We'll show it, but you look amazing.
Ago. It was just fantastic. So I would refer anybody to him. You can call him anytime, day or night. He is probably, the best. This is all he does.
So if the patients want to talk to somebody, they can talk to you?
Absolutely.
What if you get 100 phone calls? Are you going to be able to handle that?
Oh, wait a minute. How about just a couple at a time?
Just a couple at a time.